Hi, I'm Chelsea Lofton, and before attending Hackbright, I've been an independent contractor, a wood and metal fabricator, and an Airbnb stager. For the past 11 years, I primarily worked in the cannabis industry, where I rose to become a site operations manager, overseeing everything from site installation to product processing. It was during this time that I developed a passion for engineering systems that achieve optimization and problem solving. I'm thrilled to introduce Project Green Thumb, where I've leveraged my newfound skills as a full stack engineer to revolutionize my own personal plant care. Using React, I developed a web app dashboard to monitor and care for my home plants. I set up a network of sensors in my home that monitor my plants' health and connect them to the HomeAssistant, an open source project that allows me to view and communicate with their sensor data. Plus, I loaded the database with plant specific information, such as tolerances, from another open source project called Open PlantBook. When you click on a plant image, you'll see its specific information. The first bit comes from HomeAssistant API, which fetches the most current sensor values for that plant. The plant library data is an SQL Alchemy query that returns information tailored to create the plant's ideal environment. I added front-end filtering to cross-reference values and notify you if there's an issue that needs attention, such as watering. The sensor and humidity buttons directly query the HomeAssistant API to show the most recent values for location, humidity, and soil conditions. I've connected a Zigbee outlet strip to lights and humidifiers, allowing me to control the environment with the app's toggle buttons, remotely turning the equipment on and off. These buttons communicate directly with the HomeAssistant API using post requests and React to toggle their states. The PlantBook library query feature lets you directly access information on any plant in their database. I plan to add the ability to feed a new plant to the database with accompanying information. I even communicated with the developer of Open PlantBook to write a Python client that uses their API, and am in the process of adding it as a contribution to their project. The app displays graphs of sensor readings taken every 5 minutes over the past 24 hours. I set up a Python script to run on a cron tab and load this latest sensor data into the database. I filtered the data to only show the last 24 hours and organized it for easy entity access, reducing the amount of data processed on the front end and improving performance. I'm incredibly proud of what I've created and plan to use it permanently in my home. Applying my new skills to implement better control and monitoring of my plant collection has been a joy. Combining my passion for cultivation with my love for engineering systems and my newly found skills as a software developer.